Hello, my babies. A package was just delivered to my door from FYE, and there is only one thing that could mean. My Funko Fall Convention Britney Spears Crazy Funko Pop is in this box. Oh, and just between me and you might want to stick around to the end of this video to find out how you could win one of these Funkos. Welcome to Adara Unboxed. My name is Adara. I unbox things. Today we're unboxing a Britney Spears Funko to add to the collection. I am so excited. I think Britney Spears Crazy is one of my all-time favorite Britney Spears music videos. I was obsessed with it back in the early 2000s, as I'm sure all of my classmates could tell you, because I used to do the dance to Crazy at all of the school dances. Like I said, this is part of the Funko Fall Convention collection of Funkos that just came out in 2022. It's available for purchase both on FYE and the Funko website, maybe some other places too, but those were the two main ones where you could find it when it came out. There is a limit of 2 per customer. I did order 2 because I was worried that if one is messed up, I want to at least have a backup. I hope that they're not both messed up. Let's open her up. She's so cute! So freaking cute. Why are her glasses so hot pink? I don't like that bit. Wow. Oh my gosh, so cute. She has something on her boob in this one. And her glasses are kind of messed up in this one. Well, you know, that's the deal with Funkos. There's gonna be some discrepancies in the paint usually. So, you know, if I went to a store to buy one of these, I would go through the entire aisle trying to find the one that has the least paint issues. But, you know, I didn't go to a store. I had it delivered. And so I got what I got, but it's not bad. Neither of them are bad. The boxes are both in good condition. So let me show this to you. Here she is. So this was $15 per Funko Pop. It's a little bit pricier than the other Britney Funkos that are not a Chase Funko have been. Usually they're only like $8, so this is almost double. I don't know if it's because it's an exclusive, it's a limited edition, because it's part of the Funko Fall Convention, but yeah, it's a little bit pricier than normal. This is such a cute outfit though, and what a different Britney. She's wearing glasses, she's got her pigtails, and she's got the waitress uniform, and she's holding the milkshake. This is super, super cute. This makes me really hope that they're going to be putting out the Britney Spears Crazy when she like prettifies. She's pretty as the waitress, but you know, she does her whole like all that costume change, and all of a sudden she's like in green tube top black pants. Sexy Britney. And now I really want it because when I see the background of this, oh, it just reminds me of that costume, and I would like to put them side by side. But how cute is this? I'll give you a better look here. Let me take one of these out of the box so we can see it a little bit closer. So the glasses have actual little lenses in them. They're just very hot pink. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Isn't she wearing like very light pink glasses in the music video? I don't think I've messed that up in my head. I just don't understand. These are like almost neon. But she sure looks like a little cutie patootie. Oh my goodness, that little milkshake. I also really like how her uniform has wrinkles in it, and they're not mistake wrinkles. They're wrinkles that are meant to be there. Like right in front, that detail, if you can see it, where there's like fabric folded over, but you know, it's not fabric, it's just hard plastic, and in the back too. You can tell her booty's popping. The discrepancy that I was talking about in this one, the paint, is like, she's got like a little mark on her nip. There's like a little B on her uniform, and right on her nippy nip is like a little black mark. But that's really all I see here, other than a few like dots on her hair. Nothing horrible. Nothing too horrible. I can live with that. You guys, she's so cute. I'm so excited to add this to my Funko collection. If you haven't seen my Britney Spears Funko collection, I'll show it to you right now. I also have a video that you can watch that showcases almost all of these with the current prices as of the day that I did the video, which was a few months ago. The prices for the Britney Spears Funkos tend to increase quite a bit. So it's a good Funko collection to have if you're going to be collecting Funkos. The Britney ones tend to retain their value or increase their value. What am I gonna do with two of you? Maybe time for a giveaway? I've never done a giveaway on this channel before, but I think that this warrants one. I only ordered two because I was worried that if one was really messed up, I would have a backup, but neither are messed up. They're both in good condition, and I would love to give one of these away to one of you lucky viewers who is probably also a Britney Spears fan and would enjoy putting this beautiful Britney Spears Funko somewhere in your home to dote over. If you want to be in the running to have this cutie patootie sent to you, then you can enter the giveaway by liking this video, making sure you're subscribed, and commenting below what your favorite Britney Spears song is. The giveaway entry period is going to be open from November 2nd, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through November 24th, 2022 at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I want to surprise somebody on Thanksgiving and give them a good old Thanksgiving Britney treat. A winner will be chosen at that time and will be contacted at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on November 24th, 2022. If you're the winner, I will leave a comment on your comment requesting that you contact me via email, and then we'll do a little verification to make sure it's you before I send you the prize. You will have 1 week to email me and claim your prize. If you don't contact me within 1 week, unfortunately, I will have to disqualify you and choose a different winner. So make sure you're paying attention. Only one entry per person, please. And this contest is limited to the contiguous United States. Is that the right word? I can't ship this to Alaska or Hawaii, you guys. I'm paying for the shipping out of pocket. Please don't do that to me. I'm not gonna use your information for anything other than getting the winner their prize, so don't worry about that. I don't even know how I would use your information if I wanted to. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube or any other affiliate. I am solely responsible for the contest, the selection of the winner, and the distribution of the prize. I will leave all the official contest rules down below in the description. I will also update that description once a winner has been selected. And if you get a notification that I have commented on your comment, make sure to read it to see if I am letting you know that you're the winner. One of you will soon be holding this beauty in your hands. Or your feet, if you're a weirdo. Disclaimer may come with cat fur. All right, my loves, that is it for now from me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon for another Adara Unboxed adventure. Bye!